Are you looking for simple ways to boost your health and vitality as you age, and want to discover which everyday foods can make the biggest difference in your golden years? Stay with me until the end because I'm sharing 5 powerful foods that can transform your well-being and help you live your best life after 60. As we grow older, our bodies undergo significant changes that affect how we feel and function each day. The good news is that making smart food choices can dramatically improve our quality of life and help us stay active and healthy for years to come. Today I'm revealing 5 remarkable foods that every senior should include in their daily diet to support their immune system, protect their brain, and prevent chronic diseases. Let's start with the first superfood that packs an incredible punch for senior health. Berries like strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries are nutritional powerhouses that offer extraordinary benefits for older adults. These colorful fruits contain powerful antioxidants that fight against cellular damage and slow down the aging process throughout your body. Berries are especially rich in compounds called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and provide strong anti-inflammatory effects that protect your cells and tissues. By eating berries regularly, seniors can strengthen their natural defenses and reduce their risk of age-related conditions including heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. These delicious fruits also deliver essential vitamins and minerals that your body needs to function at its best. They're loaded with vitamin C, B vitamins, and potassium, all crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting overall health. What makes berries even better is that they're low in calories and sugar, making them perfect for seniors who are watching their weight or managing blood sugar levels. Research has shown that berries have remarkable effects on brain health and cognitive function as well. Studies indicate that regular berry consumption helps improve memory, attention, and mental sharpness while reducing the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's disease. To get these amazing benefits, aim to eat at least 3 servings of berries each week. Now let's move on to the second essential food group that every senior needs. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring are exceptional for maintaining heart and brain health in your later years. These fish are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential nutrients that support both cardiovascular and cognitive wellness. Omega-3 fats have natural anti-inflammatory properties and help prevent blood clots, reducing your risk of heart attacks, strokes, and irregular heartbeats. These healthy fats also promote brain health by improving cell membrane function, enhancing communication between brain cells, and supporting electrical signal transmission throughout your nervous system. Seniors should try to eat fatty fish at least twice per week to maximize these protective benefits. Beyond omega-3s, fatty fish provide vital vitamins and minerals that older adults often need more of as they age. They contain vitamin D, which is critical for calcium absorption and maintaining strong bones, and vitamin B12, which is essential for nerve function and red blood cell production. Fatty fish also deliver selenium, a powerful antioxidant that shields your cells from damage, and iodine, which supports thyroid hormone production and metabolic health. The protein in fatty fish is another major advantage for seniors. Fish provides high-quality complete protein containing all the essential amino acids your body requires for proper functioning. These proteins help maintain muscle mass, repair tissues, and produce important enzymes and hormones. Fish protein is also easier to digest than red meat, making it a healthier option for older adults concerned about digestive comfort. The third category of superfoods for seniors is leafy green vegetables. Greens like spinach, kale, lettuce, and collard greens are absolutely essential for senior health and well-being. These vegetables are treasure troves of nutrients that older bodies need most. They're packed with vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with minerals including calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron, plus beneficial dietary fiber for digestive health. Eating leafy greens regularly ensures your body gets an optimal supply of these essential nutrients. Leafy greens also contain abundant antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your cells from oxidative damage and help prevent chronic diseases. Particularly important are lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that specifically protect eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Regular consumption of leafy greens is linked to better cardiovascular and bone health in seniors as well. These vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin K, which is crucial for blood clotting and maintaining bone strength. They also contain natural plant-based nitrates that can help lower blood pressure and improve blood vessel function, both key factors in preventing heart disease. The fourth superfood category is nuts and seeds. Options like almonds, cashews, flax seeds, and chia seeds offer multiple health benefits for older adults. Their greatest strength lies in their abundance of healthy unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support heart health and fight inflammation throughout the body. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of plant-based protein, dietary fiber, and numerous essential vitamins and minerals including vitamin E, B vitamins, magnesium, potassium, zinc, and copper. By regularly including nuts and seeds in their diet, seniors ensure they're getting optimal amounts of nutrients vital for their health and well-being. These foods also possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties thanks to their phenolic compounds, tocopherols, and phytosterols. These bioactive substances help protect body cells from free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and prevent chronic diseases associated with aging including cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. Nuts and seeds are particularly beneficial for cognitive health in older adults too. Research has demonstrated that regular consumption is associated with better cognitive function, reduced risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases, and improvements in mood and quality of life. Seniors should aim to eat a handful of nuts or seeds daily, either with meals or as a healthy snack. Finally, the fifth essential food group for seniors is legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, and other legumes are incredibly valuable for senior health and longevity. Their primary advantage is their rich plant-based protein content, offering a healthy and sustainable alternative to animal proteins. Thanks to their essential amino acid profile, legume proteins support muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and enzyme and hormone production. Legumes are also natural sources of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion, helps you feel full, and supports blood sugar control, all important factors for senior health. These foods are rich in essential vitamins and minerals too, including B vitamins, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. These nutrients play crucial roles in maintaining physiological functions, regulating metabolism, and preventing nutritional deficiencies. Legumes possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties as well, due to their phenolic compounds, saponins, and lectins. These bioactive substances protect body cells from free radical damage, reduce inflammation, and help prevent chronic diseases linked to aging. Incorporating these 5 remarkable foods into your daily diet can truly transform your health and quality of life in your senior years. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more health tips.